Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add text on CapCut. So guys, at first you need to select the photos or videos that you want to edit. And after selecting your photo, just tap on text. Now tap on add text. Now write here the text that you want. And guys, you can select your fonts from here. So I am selecting this one. You can also select your text color from here. And after all doing this, just tap on the check icon. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.